Their Foxy Mom's Wellness Wednesday, and when searching for a doctor, you often hear the words board certified, but what exactly does that mean? Dr. Eric Kaplan from Colorado Springs Allergy and Asthma Clinic is here this morning to tell us what that means. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing very well this morning, a little chilly, but I'm glad you made it in despite the icy roads. Now, lots of people suffer, from allergies and asthma. They're looking for someone to help treat them, but isn't it true that really they can get things at any provider, that not every provider is the same, right?
Right. So the confusion comes from these allergy clinics that are just kind of springing up. And so being an allergy treatment center is not really a protected term. Neither really is being an allergist. The question that you have to ask is the provider you're seeing a board certified allergy and asthma specialist? My partner and I, Dr. Bonnie Baswell, are board certified allergy immunology. So that means that we are board certified asthma, allergy, and immunology specialists. We went to 4 years of undergrad, 4 years of medical school, 3 years of residency, and a 2-year specific fellowship just to do what we do. So we focus on taking care of patients with asthma and allergies. We have over 40 years of experience between the two of us, and we do it very well.
Let's put up some information on the screen because, as you mentioned, the term allergist isn't even protected. So when you want to look at those words, board certified, here's what, so you have to be, approved by the American Board of Allergy and Immunology. And that training is like a lot more, the residency and everything combined, than your average, person who says that they're an allergist.
Right. It's a 2-year specific fellowship. So again, that term allergist really, is not a protected term. Anyone can put the term allergist on their white coat and go out and see patients.
That's terrible.
Well,
I mean, because it's a little misleading.
It's a little misleading, and certainly it's not my job to tell anyone where they need to go. But I think it's important to know the credentials of the provider you're seeing, whatever that specialist may be. It's important to ask the question, where was your training and what are your board certifications? What are you board certified to do? That is our focus. Our focus is on patient care, taking care of the population of Colorado Springs, and providing that top quality care for patients with allergies, asthma, and immunology.
And that can make, I guess, a difference with your expertise as far as diagnosis and treatment are concerned.
Well, absolutely. And when we go through testing, and if we test someone to allergies, we really sit down and spend a lot of time on environmental control. What kind of things can those patients do without medications at all in their home to try to alleviate their symptoms? So a lot of what we do is spend time just with the things that they can do around their home. So medications and allergy shots are options that we talk about later. But we focus on more non-medical therapy and ways to deal with the things that they're allergic to.
So how do people find out? Do they need to do some research? Is it usually posted? How do you know if you're going to a board certified allergist specialist?
Right. Well, I would ask the question. I would ask the question of the provider, like let's say you are signing up for allergy shots with your provider. You want to ask, are you a board certified allergy and asthma specialist? Are these allergy shots being used on label? And when you look at the package inserts for allergy shots, they should be given in a medical facility designed to treat any potential problems that come up. So are you following the label of those allergy shots? Are you doing it on label the way things should be done? When you go see a board certified allergist, you know that it's going to be done that way. It's going to be done the way the national guidelines recommend. That's what our training suggests, and that's what we follow every single day.
Important recommendations this morning. You have a website at csallergy.com. You have 3 locations here in the Springs, correct?
We do, yeah. We're up in Monument. We're on Austin Bluffs and Academy, and then we're down south in Lake Plaza Drive. So plenty of places, plenty of opportunities to come in and see us.
All right, we'll see you next month, okay?
Okay,
and
thanks
we'll
a lot.
be right back.